Here's a full guide how to use camera in Dream by WOMBO app. This app is going viral. You can generate all this amazing AI artwork. Also, this app is free at the moment. You can generate a limited number of images. There are some cool art styles, and you can see all the community work from other creators. The one downside is a bit glitchy at the moment because there are like millions of users, but anyhow, I will show you that of course you can just enter a search word, but you can also use the camera. So just tap add image and then add camera. So there you have it. Now you have access to your camera. And now, for example, we want to generate a picture of the chair, or just like some office chair. So then I can just tap on it, and then I can just adjust influence, like how major influence means that your input image has a large effect on the final artwork. Default influence means that your input image has some effect. Minor influence, your input image has little effect on the final artwork. So yeah, similar as with adding images, you can just use camera, and it's really handy in case you are traveling, in case you are meeting friends. So some nice picture, you can instantly take a photo and then just generate some AI with this cool app. So then I can still need to enter some prompt, so to help algorithm better understand what's happening. And then I can select different style, and then I can tap to create. And this is the way to generate AI artwork just from your camera. Okay, so there are still few glitches. I just tap retry a few times and hope that it helps. So and there you have it, so something like that. And then I just took a photo with my camera, and you can generate this cool artwork. So it's a cool thing to try out. So just take photos of some objects around you and have fun. It's actually pretty addictive. So again, all of that is generated by AI algorithm in the app, and this app is free to use at this moment, and you have a limited number of images. So in case you need something for your website or your project presentation or any other causes, this can be a nice app to hang out with.